Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to make a half circle in photopea. Let's begin. First of all, create a new layer and use ellipse tool with fill or without fill. First of all, with fill, create a circle and again create a without fill with stroke. Hold shift. Okay. Increase the stroke size. Okay, then select direct selection path, select corner, then again select this corner, hold shift, press delete on your keyboard, and now see this half circle and apply the same process, hold shift, press delete on your keyboard. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.